This video is a compilation of all the Italian properties under €150,000 that we featured for our members and on YouTube in 2024. As you can see, we've been pretty busy, and 2025 is going to be even busier. There are so many more exceptional homes to share. If you're new to Live Your Dream Italy, we just love finding and sharing unique, habitable homes in Italy, which are for sale for under €150,000. We're not realtors and don't receive any commission or payments for the properties we feature. We just enjoy doing it and are supported by our members on Patreon. Each month, we share 100 personally selected properties with them. Our selections are all proper habitable homes, not apartments, flats, fractions or timeshares, and never any auctions, unfinished junk rubble or project houses. We always include the price, location, and links to the original listing with Realtors' contact information. We research hundreds of properties every week to bring our members an impressive variety of homes and believe that everyone can buy a nice, habitable home on a modest budget without having to settle for a renovation project. As far as we're aware, ours is the only service like this, focused exclusively on quality homes for sale in Italy for €150,000 or less. Whether you're serious or just dreaming, looking for a forever home, second home, holiday home, or rental investment, this could be a very valuable resource. Previous collection themes have included breathtaking view homes, bargain homes, under €55,000, village homes, family-size homes, cool cottages, homes with land, ski-base homes, coastal homes, and historic centre homes. We'll be repeating these again in 2025, with some new themes lined up as well, including view terrace homes, lake homes, mountain homes, and good rental investments. If you're interested in becoming a member, it's just €6 a month on Patreon. That's 1,200 properties for €72 a year. We'd love to be able to offer this for free, but it does take a lot of time sifting through all the not-so-exceptional ones. We've also recently launched a member-only Facebook group where we share a new property find every single day. These are also compiled and sent by email at the end of the month. In addition to the featured properties, the group is also a place for members to interact with other like-minded Italy lovers in a small group setting. Thank you so much to everyone for subscribing, liking, sharing, and joining. Your support is always appreciated. We'd like to wish everyone a wonderful, healthy, and prosperous new year. Please see the video notes below for additional information, and we hope you enjoy the rest of this video.